Adom FM 106.3 FM. Adom FM 106.3. Feeling you. OfieKwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Testimony, testimony. Tell the world my story of what you have
This is high definition, an explosion in the city. 106.3 FM. They are tough.
OfieKwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
You've done it before, you will do it again. You've done it before, you will do it again. You've done it before, you will do it again and again and again and again.
Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice. Classic radio station.
OfieKwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
An explosion in the city. 106.3 FM.
And that's a Hima Messi when he lives in me. Ultimately, bringing time to 32 after 3 on 106.3 Adom FM. Good afternoon to you. And welcome to your own show, OfieKwanso, with me, Jerry Justice. And as usual, we are until 6 in the PM. Near the news to our trial, so it's like I say, come on, so they are to Adom 106.3 FM now to OfieKwanso media for today, Monday, the 27th of September, 2021. Hey, Jana Domarakwa, and I had to send you a tea. And it's yesterday, Honoma, less than a fataso, Nukuto, and I had the mano. And Posana, or Cherry, or kind of boy, who buy, dear Koya, dear buyer, dear Wafu, one me auntie out in Carbonibia. Now, Sabri, you go to Tiase. And you'll be in the weekend, all right. But just when we are starting the new week now, yeah, because I want kind who be a So if you are still living, and so to me through moon now there radiase. It's inside the Kessia Pana Wayama. So I'm a part of the living. You need to be grateful to God. Shouts to the team, Papa Bills African, to man like James Town, Jaco, and to my tech guys on duty. Alaji Mo, Nina, and to man like Gozo, Brasame, OfieKwanso, and then to Sammy himself. Kuni. Technical for on board, you are brutal. Yeah, so we are back. And we are trusting and believing God. Said this week is going to be a great week for you and I. But there's one prayer that we can all pray. Say, because I catch it, they say, oh yeah, MIA. Yes. Lord, do it. Do it, Lord. And that's the new joint from Dinah Hamilton. I was on by Facebook. Joining me says here. Videos of our time coming up pretty soon. Yeah, the Tosso says here.
Some trust in chariot.
Patroya Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook.
God, the one who
Now, videos of our time. Yeah, fancy chef. So, in the meantime, real call neighbor Cosses is here. Let's see who is here,
sent horses.
who is watching us, and from where.
The one who holds and
Any now so to someone is here. That's right. That's right.
All power belongs to you. I was here for I want your breath way. Answer by fire. This prayer.
Kofi Asempa. Kofi Asempa Furniture Works where Doom Kumasi. I said this is a powerful program indeed. Courage, Doche. So watching you live from Somania. Dominion Stitches. And Udini Juma. And our MD Shohid. Hassan Rafi. Also live from Bogora. Now Bogora, no, I know heaven. Veronica, where do I say good afternoon, Jerry? I'm watching you live from the UK. That's good. Goldie Blue said Jerry, oh Jerry. Selena or Maria Free say hi Jerry. Good afternoon. Benjamin Ejekum said good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Very nice show. Really enjoying it at Atimpoku. Benjamin also says Adom Vim. Roger Ade. Also saying the DBM Atarasta from Article and listening to the show and watching at the same time. Keep up the good work you're doing, Jerry. And pray for me. I am not feeling well. I pray that the God himself will heal you this afternoon. Yes, that's the God we serve. Will heal you this afternoon. Miankasa krami here healing. Itimpai na me boy no. The branch kakrama. Me home kure nye yi. And I'm saying share face mask am the tea. Could you say katao say cold be achimio. Me home na me him shishime. So any other tea. Ebe yi nyame te ase bibia be fine what. Ti so ho beto. Kintoro. Honestly, I say good afternoon, Jerry. And I thank God. Oh, Ken, message you know, Ira. Juliet Foley said, good afternoon, Jerry. Loud and clear inside Kiss Clothing. They're twice on the call. It's also better me joining live on Facebook at Adom 106.3 FM. Bishop General said, Mr. Mensah, Mahao, Meda Unyankopon Ase, say, oh, message you know, I can't call. Shall say so kind of oil to Gumusana, nothing now. Papi Junior said, good afternoon, Jerry. Thank God for another day. I want you to shout Auntie Lydia inside car park. She always listens to you. And to Sister Peace of Shanghai. Papi J inside Ukumpe opposite cocaine rice. Because I'm so you do on ye searching sayem. As I rather say, Yamin, yes, searching sayem. Diana Hamilton, all kinds of Yamin, yes, searching sayem. That's the meaning of that. I know what's happening. I drive Frakuma Afrake. Was watching you live from Ebriwe Kwapim, your hometown. Hope you good. Yes, I'm good. And then me kromu for Ebriwe Funina. Phone train. We change your winner. Kwapim for yo. Citizen Atipu. I'll say good afternoon, Jerry. I am watching you live from the United States of Boteman, Smith Flats. Africa, why I read the videos of our time. Yeah, trying to see a Nejuma baby. Now, no young guy be a studio. I just a branch and watch that. Watch that or a beat maker. Just a watch that or a sound engineer. Just a branch and watch that or wait me up beats. It anyways a beat here, but on one bet me ashe. Not just a artist, not to know Gusonia. And I'm saying, hey, sir, at your age, well, you're betting come on the ashe. How it goes. Meantime, yeah, fast like I said. Emma Kel Kids Toothpaste. Kel Kids Toothpaste. You run a come at the amount protect your gum no prevent cavity. Now mama say strong and healthy. Man of freshness the omu cream all day. Tin here come for the amount. Number 5 2 to 6 years one on. Mama used to Kel Kids Toothpaste no friend you say come on. FDI mushmu aja to say if it's Samara Company Limited. I available baby. Kel now Besiana now okoji usro because of interest net down one intino. And they are to so. And to borrow take advantage of the reduced rate never grow business. Your Greater Accra, Eastern, Central, Ashanti, Afia have regions Nina Emo. For natural baby, I want to mile direction to the nearest branch. No Abane business. 057-555-7777. Choose Pan-African. Choose greater strength. Dominion about powder. Your number 1 immune booster. A sample normalizer blood pressure. I feel heart and kidney related problems in the free or stroke, diabetes, a pam. Where you market to be out your bread, there be no what you bring to 2 any Dominion about powder be work at for any chim one and I watch herbal, Hallows herbal, King's Walk herbal, Little George Health Shop, a favorite part ventures. Yes, I'm not open door party for any chimo and cocoa. Also, Angels Dominion About Center. Our numbers near 0543 158 195. I face 020 429 6449. Dominion About powder. I'll see your number 1 immune booster. Next lady on the farmer floral disposable handkerchief. Abusia eno ye chance walk off a usual club and no can for the amount. Sabomadia amount sanka floral disposable handkerchief. Yes, people we are disposing of come on. The Biana Hote. Also look out for floral toilet roll, floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, floral box tissues. And in available our market baby. A bonus that from Kama. Do partner for Delta Paper Meal Limited. 0243 033 033. Now sort one time. Name of videos of our time where you boy remedy a bread we know. A food lovers rice. Plain rice. And one more rice. Rice water rice. A mutual rice, nina, around a kamapa. Very easy to cook and it tastes great in every grain. food lovers rice made for better eating experience. Available, baby. And I feel Aquatab water purification tablets. I was going to kekesa na nya na nkwankunya yare. Ewo nsu a wonu. Enu tin ye kan for Aquatab water purification tablets every amount down there nyina. Especially more storage tanks will feel no. It's when be tatemu ana isa na ye ana ye. Etu de o man saka Aquatab water purification tablet ba ko agya tum. A self-dissolving tablet. Yes, ebe kum all microorganisms e won su ni. Sabe abetimi avoid waterborne diseases. Sanso ne won Aquatab food safe wako kroma koto fruits and vegetables de aba no aya emfa nsuo keke enwo hye wona mo nhya se ni use Aquatab food safe fa wash hu nyina neat kama asam be hya se dia ma hya se di eno no how be any akiri obenya bi ato chemical shops afi pharmacies any supermarkets out do na mo do pa no phrase 020 90 77 726 na do bi onye bia no sabe kan so won kran ha o kumase anu afre 050 169 4275 na kofuria phone so afre 0244 593 381 bibia be fine All right, I'm Sunny. I did videos of our time about 12. So, let's jump into this one from Mary Ajiman. She called this one Holy Spirit. Yeah, beautiful song.
I cannot do it without you. Me to me, yo, yummy.
Patrol, the Echo Bank Joy News Habitat Fair, Jumedian Air Basso Den. Yami Adom this weekend at the Junction Mall. Yeah, the third clinic, no air so that's Saturday the 2nd and Sunday the 3rd of October 2021, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. BBBI for dance young be said down here to Anaya Yesi Ade and Chichimuni be paid a few about following on social media with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, powered by the Plan City Extension Project, by Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own, and also sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof expert. And our fair Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. I was on Facebook to see now. Yeah, the videos of our time no so. Nemum TSA MTN Gusua celebrating the 25th anniversary, you know. ETNA 2021 Sonata Makomako 25. Yeah, they chow man for because we use MTN number no for casa for test for browsing. Use MTN app no Pulse app no. Use Momo no. Ne gain more points. Now so to me nya kai mu back home. Show Jenny now say our brow dial star 156 hash. The BBA to me ako ye the amount. Remember rain free set terms and conditions everywhere you go. And they Express Pay Eguswa creative priceless experiences through instant payments across multiple channels. Download the Express Pay. Yes, from the Google Play Store and now say App Store. Now I'm joining Express Pay family no sisia. Sebe and they so bet me making payment very easy and more convenient. Edi amawo over experience instant payments on any mobile device with star 246 hash. So person send the cash. Edema a bank account to be any bank account to be and now mobile money wallet to be person to airtime data and now crowd person will pay for Ghana water bills and now DSTV and be a person will be a star 246 hash. Follow prompt no them. Absolutely simple. So just dial star 246 hash to get started now. Express Pay. And now 27th. Nyamiya Adom on the last day of the month. That's going to be the 30th. And the Rich Choco National Essay Competition, you know. Submission of entries no about to a close. Into Nyancho essay now, Mahonya Hasisia. You are writing an essay while addressing the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effects of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now I stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. Very simple. One my parent and our guardian and our teacher, I endorse or letter no the amount. As I say a year wow handwriting. What I say? Now we're dropping off at the Accra Central Post Office, at Dental Post Office, at Chimota Post Office, Melcom Outlet, at Accra Central, at Dabraka, Melcom Plaza, North Industrial Area, Dansuman, Spinktest, Madina, Tema, Ashama, Achimota, Kissiman, East Legon, Abeka, Waja, Ashoma, Frafraha, and Afiafina. Comodian saw them Beshim Patrol, Yan Chichimu, Quechipa, call Cadbury Richoko, Facebook, and answer Instagram pages. No, when you have further details, not from there. I feel young call Facebook, no so. Now, young share and then videos of our time, I did, bro. And the videos of our time, I did, bro, no so. And then a double do. Said they told the BIA, no. Ye, sa video, no. As videos of our time. Now, yes, I had the same video, no. Atu ye hofo ewo dwumedie eso bomodia ne bra ne behwe sa video no especially we obi a wo kunu bra ne behwe sa video wi se wa ware a behwe sa video wi But why are doing so bad? Maybe you are still preparing, you are in the process. I want to know office. Want to tell sorry them. And now we be obi anen wa busuam. I wouldn't say why. But our issues there be on in the kune kontoka. There be on in area kontoka. And your man ko ye between the two of them. Eti na no krobe catch on. Or say the way I got near crowd on the unya crow beja warrior. When so nya crowd the way I see no. Almost share video kit 12B. A kit 12B just on few seconds. Almost share that video kit 12B. In fact, the way our video near very short no. One by Facebook and be shown in Temna around the sipa Jacob Yefio. But a footwork kesia pa was our video for you to see this video. Men kasa honche, and like I said, ye de boa ba ku kum no mambie no sa video we no eno amu asem na na ebe gina so na ye de atu ye hofo enti awarefo nyina and will be awarefo mu nyina monhwe ene video yi emayen na yina yemfa entu ye hofo eye videos of our time proudly brought to us by Aquatap water purification tablet and a food lovers rice. Yedi kind of maseda mom dada. Etie wi a ene esan eye futu amayenti no. Ye wi a na omwa afa won kam etie futu no so no. Yedi omo so aseda attach dia mom. Etije ko mpacho fa video nto so we min kasan che omo bebre. Wa o hwe video. Mpacho fo ni bi achi yi pa fi woni pa na hwe. Na okay because asem na papa no e kan video ni na no. Yesa etro. Eti won kasa hwe. And I shall see him. It's almost 80 already on so there. But more on Facebook no. Read it yourself and get the facts. And no the videos of a time near the a bit wine. Yeah, worry. Yeah, friend, I already a person. Yeah, worry. So I ain't call you na Yankee, big Jana, for into your home. Eti enkomo na ekoso papa yesa ma o kam na yetiawa na se mi nyina ne se etoda enyama yi hu social media so no bi de ne yire o de abeto no afiri yire no fo no bi so kisi mi kuna pam permission no and I love you and I and I kisses skin and ade no show off on social media no enye ni nyina na 90% accurate obi o kra sa no pan kra no se woni ni kuma ko sutrobi a wo yiri no enye sutrowa enso sa video kuna o de abeto social media so ni kuni kisi na pampa no ebi kwa odu abi no de abeto wo na to pressure man entu se hwede we yiri ku na hwede we yiri hwese de pampa ni ku hwese de respect ni ku na say entu nya ya na wasori afu de no unya ya na kasa na so relationship with papa say scenario kitwa bi na ma ye se nyame e ba sesi ya na o ma yakonya se obia fa ne yire ko gu da ba ku obia so fa ne ku o na fa ko gu house ba ku kese no na gu na ye a e ku fo ni nyina ya tro mo history na e fo ni nyina ya tro mo history the bad ones the good ones so you can use back say when you say Nima or ye one relationship and then now let's be about here they are tagging. The yeah, papa who now so they are tagging. No, you are. The catcher say, okay, it is a moment will be a person. It's one no more about almost 1 million. Say, I want about person. Ocean history now. I am better for you. What's the same as I will penny of Bobby of a question? The only now can say, because I didn't go the TM say the I in Jabea, the same as I could use and the contract said the idea of tears. Who be a because I could get to be because no one shining now, and yes, I know that yet. No, but the assembly trap say. de enye no mom ubie offense na wo hwe de other side wa you say grass now to the grass in the grass why very green pa looking greener come pa etunya ya make ho and ya odu ani be kwa kire no see the grass is not greener on the other side. It is only greener where you water it. Enti de uru ni hye wo sa no se de etie no enye sa kekesa enti sa wo no so pese ye bia ejina wo so na mo a obetu wo so abrabo no na so relationship no na mo so de na kama enti me fan show to say what you see out there is penalty. The grass is not greener on the other side. It is only greener where you water it. Enti emwe said the audio TV out there no water it. Gugu susu enya kama na fa woni enkosi baby bia ho isa se unim de ho so etue mu enchichi ni na midwest nti na ka cho se ne de no baby do asa de ho futu de mai ho your first was done my bright garlic plus capsules if you Greenfield scientific about clinic they say a blood improve blood circulation. It boosts your appetite. What me the immune system na control cholesterol, blood pressure, and feel sugar levels in there. I'm creating a sacrifice bright soldier capsules there. Yeah, no, enhance libido. Na sexual weakness near they are clear for you. Yeah, no, sis, yeah. Now say, no. Check yes when you lose sperm count. The measure come. Kings walk about. The walk cash bradley. The one so you lose about. Tonight at herbal shops name across the country. Be home. Trial of Judah Castle. Yes, I call Greenfield Scientific Clinic. You do be on your bet you saw phrase 0243 983 6 in front of the 0243 983 906 and 0261 651 898. That's 0261 651 898. As they do on Comma MTN, you'll be so celebrating the 25th anniversary. Oh yeah, they said to your mark Sunata Makumako 25. Come on, Mama dear. Now, Obakoswa, and you Jacob. Ubetimiama, Facebook, a voice. Who's at the enemy? A show, dear, true, with your kind. But the one I say, I can kind of my is it's in patrol. You to remember voice only on Facebook for just let them listen to them for them. What them remember voice now ready for TV now. I'm take up a message on Facebook. I mean for a minute, nothing later in transpire. It's a business that I'm making. MTN app. Pause app. You Kasa testing browser. You never build more points. So now I'm 25. You meet me in a now so I did them more. Star 156 hash. And they now also control to me. Wash I say everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. If you don't master, put my paint the you say don't master. Say down then now Ukraine. And then they enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. The endorsement ranges from exterior steel security doors to
greener on the other side. It's only greener where you water it. If they take all the husbands and wives, they put them all in a pile somewhere, and they tell you about the history of each one of them, and they say, hey, if you don't like yours, go choose another one. You know what you would do? You probably would go and grab your husband or your wife's hand and say, honey, I'll keep you. Don't let people fool you, kissing each other, calling each other honey and all this and thinking the relationship is better than yours. The grass is not greener on the other side. It's only greener where you water it. If they take all the husbands and wives, they put them all in a pile somewhere, and they tell you about the history of each one of them, and they say, hey, if you don't like yours, go choose another one. You know what you would do? You probably would go and grab your husband or your wife's hand and say, honey, I'll keep you. Don't let people fool you, kissing each other, calling each other honey and all this, and thinking the relationship is better than yours. The grass is not greener on the other side. It's only greener where you water it. If they take all the husbands and wives, they put them all in a pile somewhere, and they tell you about the history of each one of them, and they say, hey, if you don't like yours, go choose another one. You know what you would do? You probably would go and grab your husband or your wife's hand and say, honey, I'll keep you. Don't let people fool you, kissing each other, calling each other honey and all this, and thinking the relationship is better than yours. The grass is not greener on the other side. It's only greener where you water it. If they take all the husbands and wives, they put them all in a pile somewhere, and they tell you about the history of each one of them, and they say, hey, if you don't like yours, go choose another one. You know what you would do? You probably would go and grab your husband or your wife's hand and say, honey, I'll keep you. Don't let people fool you, kissing each other, calling each other honey and all this, and thinking the relationship is better than yours. The grass is not greener on the other side. It's only greener where you water it. If they take all the husbands and wives, they put them all in a pile somewhere, and they tell you about
disinfectant. Paper surfaces bia ema ehote. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. And if you feel aqua tabs abama mo say, ebejen it will phone for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya aqua tabs were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA agi ejedi enkratui atum.
Ago class mental edieni mienu eni miensa mienu eni enai mienu eni enum
Sonata.
If you didn't know I am atna ewe di muni o sa British ya yi bi mu ye chi Hyundai Sonata monu chia baako eduenum eni sika chedi bibi ewo MTN at 25 promo mu kosua fa MTN no man frɛ wadofo no na kasa for text for browsing for sika na for send sika ewo mu no so emprepi enum na wo benya points a wo bitimi di Hyundai Sonata eduenum a eye monu chia no baako eni sika chedi pi kosumi bia ewo MTN at 25 promo mu posta 156 eni ya na se wakuntu a wo di bedi a Kisi Biase, or MTN in Kwaso, everywhere you go.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio, share because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free brand chance, yes, me use Bright Garlic Plus, no, Mensanity Tininano, Menusua Chimmy, and Manuma Tunino, a giant when you know, now, dear Siame.
Bright Soldier, it's me general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Wabama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jimasem Quina.
Hey,
Quack Pharmacy, Kameka, and a Hamas of Biamukajo, Bright Soldier, and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wonungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction, Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic capsules, and your drew that FDA, I should just say a gradient cratway, I jet to say. I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why affordably? What be man paint depot and the door master? Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What be man paint depot? Why? Paint to quality biara usual. Say why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's the 3 months. It's Yankee. See if you want something real wooden here. What be man paint depot? I must stop and see one time. 054-2745-222. So I crack Kumasi Highway. Put me man trouble to
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Dream me say Sakovidi ebedi so afebo nanso ya ben pa say ye bedi so nkunim akaka kra bi mum nanso ye ndruye enti ye dru so a kowo wo pane no se wo pese wo kotwa skydiving e wo ko bi po so a kowo wo pane se wo pese wo be ko stadium a e ho abo ma pe no wo gbaje wo ball boku a wani ji ho pa no live a kowo wo pane na wo pese wo ni wo twotwombutu e ko bia ya yi sini anwumre bia kowo wo pane na yetumi aben adofo no ebe hia se ye nyina be dwumadi enti ko wo pane no ema ye nyina Ghana man wo me yemfa hoden tadwumadi achi everywhere you go se wo pem kransha ko onemorepushafrica.com enkrato yi free MTN any yellow hope.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Real quick, yeah, Baby Din come on. Nafi, yeah, share the corner, dear bar. Na abamu ai minimum fear wedi. Minim na bakwa sembia. Menini nin komo kakra na menhwe na. Abante at the same, hey, mon check in the mamina, the connection. Yeah, I was almost sorted out the connection of the Amamina, yet Minakas, because they had national one corner beer. Or Casafio, no, any more keyboard, no, near there, special connection, man, near there. In the meantime, I'll send a Puma drink, Nabubi, Emuye. Forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave, be confident, be determined, but most of all, be joyful. Give yourself a treat with Puma drinks. Any more there, say orange and I say a cola. A cool year. Make sure say you're well chilled. Now I enjoy. Once in 50 pesos respect. Now I all say no. It's a whole new vibe. They are available in major distribution and wholesale points across the country. Efficasa Preco Company Limited. The door power no. 0262-351-251 and Kratwe FDI Mushimwaja to say yeah. And they will favorite program on TV, you know. So ben now bet me I enjoy, you know, 5 times clearer and brighter picture quality, you know. And so ultimate chatum HD plus decoder, no. Yes, Nako ye the amount. So get yours from the nearest Electroland outlet and as a multi-TV dealer via nationwide. Now him. Every HD plus decoder piano. So activating our brow dial star 879 hash. Now our flow prompt to unlock the HD channels as well as 2 months free subscription. Now after a free trial period, so dial star 879 hash. Now our subscriber for either 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and now 12 months package, which goes for 7 cities, 25 cities, 60 cities, and then 210 cities respectively. Use multi-TV decoder da and when you saw best copy new dish the boss dada noa come on way sure say Tama Community 25 GCB Bank Limited FBA branch back home. It's your same far to general public in any more Community 25 in the environs ni na say. And they the new branch Tema Community 25 shopping mall it's Munina business. Now with the opening of the GCB Community 25 branch, no warrior shopping mall It just said the Central University branch, say ebe operate as an agency. I know Bema air services to the university community. It's more marketing in the more money chim tema Community 25 shopping mall branch now on a money business. Come on. Customers of the bank, especially those of you are more Community 25 in the environs, you are encouraged to conduct your more business and our banking businesses at the branch. And I feel so other nearby branches now. What I say? Now, first, we bet me use alternate channels now. Say internet banking, ATMs, GCB mobile banking, as well as G Money. Now, for customer related inquiries, make sure so be free 0800 422 422. That's a toll free line. Near Bonkomo Kama. And yes, I send the email for customer service at gcb.com.gh. Wait me, so I send in WhatsApp message. Their phone number is 020 0202 422 422. That's 0202 422 422. And yes, our person fair community 25 branch now is 059 691 5573. GCB, your bank for life. Debut. Kasana mere. Mon kasana mere. Aka mic no. Mo aka mic no. Hey, wa bro do. Yes, answer we no be bonu okay ya. Mo man na o man make kasa wa na me ne kasa wi na onko action o keyboard no so me hwe why. The Patrol Jumia Brand Festival no. Yeguswa ginemu den. Then you know say shall say Monday the 20th of September. Nyame Adom on the 3rd of October. Weekend here by and we oba be shopping all your favorite brands on Jumia. Now on sa etmia kan real savings and kasa up to 50% off. And also watch out for our daily flash sales 10 a.m., 12 midday, and then 3 p.m. And then also about when you download the Jumia app now, make sure you do so right now. Jumia, your everyday delivered. Okay, what's your first saying?
But your friend Prince Afari Akufu.
Prince
Afari Akufu.
Afari Akufu. Now, how many years?
But you're already 11 years.
11 years. Who free?
But you're a cropo equapim.
Who free a cropo equapim?
But you.
Yehoah. Now, who goes going?
But you're Nico School, PC demonstration primary school.
At your for mom Facebook now measure a cock where your sound engineer. Why? It also 11 years.
But you.
Na mebao. What the chance are they away?
But you're Frankisburg. Because Frankisburg are only BHG Studios.
BHG Studios. And I will train you. That be na bansan to no and now say I do it now person on show train you and I said then.
But your lockdown time now school from now continue fee na me yashi. We should do na me give me mother. Na me should pay the emigrate. Shall say money can say. That be can ya
Muntuni na ni mama na ne sound no munya kura ne mic mu yede wo se lockdown ne bae no na wo tifie wo nya hwe wo didi ana wada e na wo so mpene sa oh my goodness dear for me on Facebook na me brand here why a che so no odidi no da o mpene sa amount for pe so opportunity na didi ada. Now, when you're doing the other, what's one pensa? And now, person obey the other. I want you here. And now, person ye baby. And I'll call her.
I tell you, catch me, papa and papa's catching me, so the man could just know organ. Tell me, so mom challenges baby, and it's me to do so organism. Now, my boys, you so friend, Cotty Frankisburg, no, only be a just to be a scene. Sound engineer, eating coffee banning. Coffee banning chamber recording and my friend, Nammy Super.
Enti eno na ede nam so na ode ye ya na watimi de adu ba bia ode adu. Okay. Now yanhwe enti se ye ka se bo beat bi na ebi a farmer musician bi na onfa enya dwuma. How do you start? Na de knock off. Akaza.
Me sha see fi drums na me dia ko keys.
O be sha see fi drums. Now they are keys.
Na my recording pa kunu ya na ma mix sounds ni.
Okay, nti fa ne say me wonyo matro no me pesa me bana o ye ntie bia high life binti sha see drums na efa ko kicks. Ready. Na eya na fe enye beat na mehwe. We are live on the radio a ye beat aminti ye create beat na ere.
Achi na shas the iPhone tone baby kakra.
Answer be shas no. iPhone, the usual iPhone, the iconic iPhone tone no. What the be bibi kakra.
Achi.
Me patro ko wani mo e.
iPhone to na mbusti kanalo. Like joke, the boy created me too. Tutors news rooms, yeah. Oh my. For iPhone to na me ka se
it is a iPhone when now they are beat no. Wow. Enti the all years see a capture to our bit me abo. Am I yeti? Okay, so bona how it started. And therefore said o sha say no eh. Now the oil no recorded no but say on Bobby Biabi. Hey, Charlie. What's your brother say?
A chair family. Safari Kufun Sudubona family Prince on the beat.
Prince
On the beat.
on the beat. Okay. Prince on the beat. Biana iPhone 20. What the aya na TV e ka tell when you grow betimi na person on the be nya. Apart from no. But another beat be any iPhone, but any other BBA keke start another one, something new na yenhwe.
Okay.
Me patcho mon join on Facebook na mon channel. Or ye na live wo studio na start something na. It we no beat be na aba bebo. Trap ana say.
Sa ko de fuchi kwasiata. Moisha instrumentals.
Ayi. Sack ne ayi. Obrafo. Moisha okay. Bona yenhwe. Simni. Na just say obi beat awaya dada na eno so utimi. Eno so utimi bo utimi. Okay, bona here start it.
Jim FM. Jim FM.
Adom FM 106.3 FM.
Ish. I tell for keyboard here no dey yes I know. Sure. Sure. Say Scott. What I will do.
Careful, Abrafo. Careful.
Okay, that one. Okay. Bodo. O kon be bu o atwon kon sa de oni ba na gina we na.
Akode Moisha instrumentals on this program why?
Yeah, cause what program? What's what program?
Jim FM.
Said they are not shut up much more than 1 year bia na we release no say bia ni o. Hey ready
For about for which Akode Moisha instrumentals na ebo man ko keys.
Okay. You call them keys. Okay, you. Now, first one I hear, no, we're then.
And we are drums.
And we are drums. Do I have drums? Now, you echo keys. Okay. Okay. Keys in there, man. Hey, me no jai. That's what. Baby, you move my phone this way. In the go away. I'm into and then you read. Baby, you move my phone this way. Hey, Charlie, the boy do that thing. The boy do that thing.
for between Sakwadi
Charlie. So the Sako the voice vision one. I say BB now. No. Hey. Okay. Hey. Scott to nomination precoin. You there? Moisha. Meanwhile, that's so many edgy now. Premi mobile phone is way. I swear. I mean, gaga, and then you may. Premi mobile phone is where. Wow. Hey, da. Moisha. Hey. Yeah, mama say man. Press on the beat. Udi how you soon no. That connection. Hey. 11 years.
Actually.
And now yes adiwe. Enti o pese say adiwe na dey waduma. But ugusu co school take you studies in serious there. Okay. All right. Now it is a siano be a manage you. Who be manage you?
Pachi.
In style or pen on the idea, I'll bet me a yaman pepe. All right. Amount for person more contact to
280246468528.
Sample number ni biom. So social media.
Pachi social media is no. Okay. And DA.
So DA and a beat BA social media platforms. Okay. We'll check you out. Why? And you know why? You know. We say your name sound engineers akese any omo kasa na omo hwe say so na enti o dey bedin komo why you bedin komo you da se pa say obesran the only mu ane na get ni etietia na get ni etietia the only mu
na asa
the only mu ane no yes
unim say na mencha de ma bon nwuma me pese sisi ano no obebo beat na I'm very serious. I'm very serious. My boy no bet him pa. Ono bobo beat na mama yes. Bobo beat na mama.
Charlie, he shocked me.
Oh, but he's fantastic.
Yeah,
fantastic gentleman.
Me. I mean, 11-year-old Zana. Oh, yeah. When I was 11, what was I doing?
Oh, now to mango. Send it.
There be mango there na me titibi mumbat.
Now
I'm sure the one debia na me bia. Significant.
Me 11 years na me I was wondering
before grandma me bisa papa.
Sahong. I me dey na me.
Enumre bi na me ne papa pie na me te hwe mu no. Na ya madwo. Na mu se osane no a bright kama. Eti me tika na china omo one na da free game. And I'm busy say
you were not convinced.
I wasn't at all.
No, you were not convinced.
So the uncle say you know
say me ma welcome. Inti no say no obebo yi na na say men kasa sa na.
Oh eko say Ezaka Akwaran kra man bo say wa beat man. Me yet because say and say ya me bre. And that code be a menya ne make us na me bre. Oh think and say you know. Na ka we pia me boy ananka no ebo say wa. Say Yes. Genie foods, yeah.
Sunflower cooking oil, Genie.
Yeah.
Rice, Genie rice.
Yeah.
Genie sardine.
Yeah.
Genie mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise cry Genie.
Genie.
Everything Genie. Yeah.
Two. Na koto utimi koho ekoto na dia kogu or say software we divorce 3 times is advising somebody how to build his relationship. You are welcome.
Was it?
To obi for on how to build his relationship. After so when your ban edi impasu agro no or show with the question they will ask you. After so when you know instead of so that class and patron did you come inside me or pot belly that's a wound niska you better lose weight.
Oh, okay.
We are tired of respecting belly and it is always again. We are tired of respecting the wrong people. Into patron or pot belly now needs say Bema Bakua 10 ladies become single automatically.
Oh say
oh yes.
If one man dies
10 ladies become single.
Just
public notice be
say
one see a mama no one mo yere no enyale e don't know your notice o mo dia mama na mama
true and go you
in fact Andra me call MC where a program say but you your friend say na me sing ka bibi say enya say escort me na me say o say enya say escort me me chia no o say me chia wo ma no
ayo
kwabna
okay
o say o Olunka Metalworks me chia no Bradley Nakrawai
all right Abusia straight up yes embre kran your room na ye the irrigated sports at also.
Well, please irrigated sports a perfect program, perfect engaging and perfect unexpected irrigated sports a papa. So listen to irrigated stuff. You grow old and you die old. Thank you
too. Safu Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing alligators sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. So, mommy.
Other for me didn't this sissy chum that they be irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
That's all. Over.
Open program one denisham fast sports one. Tie irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Mayor.
Open Gangnam Style.
Akwaba.
Yeah.
Na emponu muti saying.
Onyankopon boss no ne asase adaroma.
Emuye.
Me huye.
Okay.
Odi adona dum ye ma. Ya da suti asinti. Na dumarapa.
Okay. Ye de nyame ase. Kwame Akwaba.
Kwakume Joso.
Emponu muti saying.
Ja ye tempo anu de na kwa nwan ma ne wo.
Ebeye.
Enema ekoye ma utim no kra no chese enema nkoyi aro afa ne sare chese
enema koyi se ne a
ma tim se ne haso foko eko no enema skasem kra nya kra no ayintimi complete.
So you mean if House is doing well. Now part no and man ko you okay. Oh okay fine. You. Tia is umpire obono no. Emumpa de. Gwagu akwaba na wa kan se bia mama di ne ho ya pa. O de akwaba.
Se obeye na akoka.
Omo se o
na wanda na mo ha kwa me.
Hwe. Se ni panyama me ka che wo na sanchire wo.
Awie kwa. Tie no mo. O masa jai mi jai.
Na mo ho se di nipa ye de asem nipa okrom akwa.
Ai.
Asaba na wo ka no.
Hwe. Se si am bisa. Gwagu o de tie asem am se ma di ne ho ya we. Waba. Ana ma chiao. Ama akwaba bisa so ho tesen. Usio Ose Ose Bibisa ne se ne wote sen no Osio se ne utim kra no enema ko yie ma utim na enema ko yie ma kra na bibia ye fine na bibisa se enti no ne mpai bo no se has bedi yie na so no enema ko yie crop ose ane ti wa ti we ntumpai bo ye tempai papa ma no
but say MB before you echo demonstration da
tena hoy omo demonstration be no my ye on TV
say be MP
on TV omo ye bi bebe on TV on what that try ye didi na nya bi ni aya obet
en kwa na solar na say triponi MDC
o da be anya small scale ana America they can say be a
ya say ka train na small scale so she said no croma you say ka train abu party office no aka dia ba boys for ko mu fa bi pa
when you want me now
demonstration dia ya na e wo mo
o demo kitu bia ni mu
kwa na me se me ba be busa say sa nipa ya ye de ba we se me mpe we de we shitai na we ye we no amamu na nkasa na ye bu no se because ye atu ho acha I don't know how to put it osun bia
be serve
na fe adan
so mouse
na adan say o be sum ye na ye se mouse me ya no so na adan be bi na san wo be no
because me ntia se
no
okay to omo amoku na omo shitai no ye de mu nipa no so ba na omo so nipa no so ba
eno no mu de honestly speaking me from where I sit here se me madwim nko ade a anka omo a enei we koye ya anko yi no anka sa approach na anka yesa obi afa na anko obi anko cheta obi anko demonstration onipa na yesa yempe no na se omo de na ba ye kwoto ani ato atia no mo de ne ba tie anya ba ko pe omo ato atia ko fo be ena me ka say anka that is the best
attention o baby say o say mesrema no
asuma mi ti
dangerous
o say kwakwe
shi obi a wo mu na unim so ompe wase
ona okro be na
no wo sere na
abu so de botom
me na no say dey pa
unu no say nka say de be president boni pa ku bi na na nka mo gbaju ye da ase be du na mo nkoto a ene no mo anto ama no ye de ne ba 100 times mo 100 times
athemedia mentia
unu se ofoso anso na obedi mu a na fe akoye conflict e wo one nkofo ne ntamo
say tina
say no ko wore mo no wasan ba afa no wanya enemies for the voters ni
dabi e ka no boy no obeti
o chance percentage obenya no
e no ko fa dabi ni mbasem enti kwan bia obefa so obenya sika no asem be na mu a wo ye no atika no
because empeso bia mani tua ho si no any MP no it is omu the omani sia o machi di for kran kan anka
asemi kura ko kai sa abasemi se ye hwe na ye
enu se ko fa ba wa na ade aso no o ti aso wa ba o wa hwe court dindindri be kagu aso
agora ye ka asem bura so
wa na microphone ji so wa dum ne de yare de ani esa wonum ne de
aba me mate wa ha
ana no sa di ri o matie fo no so TV o adi so ka guna so ai o se ai aya sa
o ga me when you dream enti lawyers no
lawyers be ba ha
enti o ya trouble
ko bisu me mpa court kura
enti ane
me do court for toilet aka me jama na
o ho ne yes ye de belly fa bo achi a bia wona hu no ho na ti ko betu ho
na ba hu se wako yusu empower baby say you fie say amampa no aye dede
be say ko
dabi
when you empower
what say bi sada
say wa u fie
yusu mpa but empa no ade na ode mpa no ye no empa no dede na eye no emma wo kwan emma wo yusu mpa no fie di
So one ton papa.
Let's share this other.
Ini sampa ni bio.
Ma hu se mpa bi nam social media nkofo me say da frɛ wo mo. Na me fu se bia mu di ankɔ. Say na ɛyɛ dia aba. Ayɛ
program bi o be
ba manso.
Na enti wan kɔtɔ concrete bed is as na yɛn de.
Oya do.
Ɔmo si de no mo si afra ko no de to na man for.
Yempia empress ye. Say eduma no oya o sɔre na pa na video no asɛn ni fianza no. Enye
na wɔn abɔ
be ko ma no sa to afato na atiefo ɛhwɛ. Ko we was the design ba bi ɔde ne powder ne ade nyina akora be sisi.
Ɛwɔ ayi no so na concrete.
You go on more ye plug shem.
Oh yes. Enti this whole ayi na
bed no.
Enti ɔde mattress ne be shem.
Ɔde mattress ne be to so na no.
That's the best here.
Just already only empane bu because kuma koda mpa so na buda na hotel.
Oda so kwa. Onkwa na
da bi hotel awa da braka.
Energy gum.
Ya to super.
Mu wi amusa.
So so we say me na me pro bono for bana say na say me ya rene sidi. Sidi kakra fra.
You know what da braka for mu.
Hotel you. I don't braka me to hotel ni di.
Bodie.
Koku ya to super. Kum.
Ahoden na mo de cha ahoden na so.
Na ahoden say.
Wan hyasia hyasia ntem dodo.
Koku eti
for concrete bed in the Facebook no so ntino momba moni akọ ma wa
so na da kra
so ho wie wa to ho ta so so na
we aso bi na so
and also mo to ta so mo da
na we dey ko da so ha se
odi bi aso
we da so ha se da cemetery
aso bi na so
eti we no una wa to pam wa dey sa den una just say dey obey bia no bitantim
so da ba ma so ba ma
ka say
who say high density ni bi to so bra
to once na ko fa be ye mfa kwanyen so na ye mama mfo nti ase say
from no
enye ma bebre ho no ma openi ron no English ni wie na ya chechim
enti why is me wrong
enye so won say na de onu ni aka say so wrong
we okay.
So come here, Sako for jazz my bench. You know, we should not hear we need to
my response baby.
Okay.
Me I try my papa. If it wasn't no one tell me you said the order ready baby.
Run there was baby. Okay, eti bancho ahanye bi na.
Ahanye di me to silence.
Me wrong yeah. Na fi ya bom nchirimu. Enti straight
pacho say the born national anthem obi aye serious no. Ye apology. Obi anye serious.
Okay, enti for mu munye serious. Ya ni abrepa. So retraction and apology for comments made about Awoja Hotel on the OfieKwanso program on Adom FM. That is the heading. And now to the main subject.
Now the news.
Yes, you will be on August 2021, during the OfieKwanso program, some members of the panel made comments about Awoja Hotel, which were later found to be unfortunate. Those comments, after further checks, were found either to be untrue nor could they be substantiated. Adom FM hereby retracts those comments and apologizes to the Awoja Hotel on behalf of the OfieKwanso production team and the panelists for those unfortunate comments and actions. Thank you. Sincerely, Joshua K. Tigo, Programs Manager. Madam Asebebre.
Na I'm say
hotel is yan you promote to hotel you. A bus for na yan abon the
ura.
Na fan ho kra.
Emfa na ho kra so.
Yeah.
Say ni din ne bae na sankomodie no so
betwa so.
Nti na aye say agu eye hotel ni ho fi.
Na
yeso yeni ase begu bia ho.
Da bi yentimi nyensa.
Ye fa kwanyen so na ye de achopa.
Yeah.
Omo ensem a ye kan ni enkomodie no bacho mama no nsi na be sama mano afu.
Oh, ano for me we.
Asem a ye kan edwuma no eding.
Baby ana wo kana hyase ho no. Wo ye ne tawdudo. Enso ho na asem na nkasa kese ni nyina ejina. Eti no me pesenka wo besa akọ ho ni biem. Se asem na ye ka no. Na enye ehopotin.
Yeah.
Na emum
se unze nanu ya uno soro na nim ho pa. Nanu ya me kyerɛ
de ye no unze
okay very renowned
me ba kwame asem bi ni asem timi ko hia. Wan hwe yi a na wa fa ne se no because unze utie video no mu twade ba ekra don irrigated no so tie mu pokura na
obeka sasa na
bo edin no kwaku so beka ono ne bad experience wo different hotel all company am so enye ehompo na ye ko miss specify impo ewum tutie the same way no mo cut the ba ekra no ubo say I even said it repeatedly so enye ehonmo enye ehonmo eti pacho enye ho a esem bebre
they felt offended
esem bebre mudi na egba mu ni nko ade mudi bimsam be kan sa na enye mu ne edem ho a esem wa na enye mu ne edem
Miss Ayibia
Abel farmer akofasam fofra
adebofo yasem brofo di asem
brofo no so be obekasem na kosi ne nya na
ya entimi esi say whatever it is na
whatever it is
it is all of us I am here for you ko wie ya na
akatwa mazo no free ba ye minim dia okodi ye na whatever
it is
ko do bi ka before wie
now asa no can we no
sentence there near pass
asa for
okay whatever it is asa for fashion way
whatever it is you offended to am fan chain are we okay
what am I
me nyina
nenye na aka chain no bi are we okay
ono so dey
what are you okay so
I say are we
I know the case no dey dey untimi musesa ne mem fan so so
ene say ayi takwadu man court na wo
yes
I okay
court ene
yeah
kwaku maame na asem no say dey say court abamu dey ye ka kra intimi kan bebre bia na doctor bi dey asem bi atudwa say maame no enye prosecution ohia na mmom ohia ayarehwe eti say di court akoni aba no kra de ebetimi nkra ka yan twa no so asa na yan to hwehwe maame
say amane bills is here
na me ka say court no kra no ebetimi ama ni condition no exaggerate
bill conditions no
there be court no ne opuba hwa ni police care mu awurawura no ebetimi ama no say medical condition pampa ebetimi ama na exaggerate
to bo ase eti si and jom say yan ne den
doctor no dey say maame ye nya no court
exaggerate no aka exacerbate
ni na ebo fo upato wo na hwehwe
exaggerate no je o kan emfa
it doesn't fall
the be kase
and then exaggerate
wait is that nations prophet
Jesus union and not dey was here
nations prophet you know now o ka say oh na otwi mu former president na akwanso dey call English no so na making aye ensem bebre so oba na interpreter so it has become a great news no so me say aye ensem
no o te professor dey so interpreter o dey kan o yom
o say as ensem bebre no enye great you know akwanso encourage no
ne so fune ba ko say
bi na ye
na me mani nyansa ho ani o say dada nyame wa matimi
we say kra no we o kwasua ni mu no o de share to wa no
kwa ko papa no sama o kan me ne ya adwen ba ku ya se ade bi o correct mu obi fele so onyem so no wonyem eno me say na research pa me na me tell na mani so
okay
yeah ye wo yare etimi ye oba ama na adwen se onyem but na onyem
ba we de na de nye sa
we so de o silicon nyina o se ko to silicon chere furu mu
wono ne de na ye se o person bo na ware ho ban
mema no so na mo mo wa ware mu na se e ba ma ya mo top pressure mama no so ya mo so
e ko kunye de ma no abusia
se da bi na wo be ma no so ri gina o yire chi a abusia ntimi ye hu
ko kuta so message ba
o be ma bi so gina na chi da bi forget hwe o be ma bi wo ha ono no abusuafo no ye no ono wota akire what you say but wo be ma no de o be ye no e na be ma abusuafo ho kwan mo na wo me na me de me yire now me say ya wo
it is easier said than done.
Oh come on, if you stand strong with your wife through this third person to me ma me ye bibi anwu wife.
I pray say obi bia o pe ba bia de na me money because kwaku oba ware 7 years 8 years na e ba
we no almost how many years
enye obi an me born so me o
enye obi akra so na nyame born so me ware
said enye obi an be nya sika wasase so ansa no sa so enye obi an be wo ade bi won ma wo say te ase oni mi nipa ya na to pressure ma ye hu
papa
yeti ye nyina ye kokko
da bi nyina ye kokko
it get no obi apeso for so ye kokko
mo a ye ka
to pressure ma hu
kwakoi
afi wo be da wo be no sra wo so efifire ho say chaka
obani
fa de na hu
me ba wo mo a ye ka silicon na won so won te ase no ebi ne ye de ato Facebook no etu pese mu hu kwan a oba anyimo a otimi say we usually almost tell you so in movies.
Yeah.
Now
but say store so.
Opeso oba ne omo ye mo oba ne pregnant woman oh no more use ni ade mpacho ebi na ade to Facebook on to betimi ahwe.
Ento bi uche say we dey ono kasa koto bi. A na hye ne yam.
Na wo jao.
Na wo ba
Kwant ba ko twitwiro obo.
You told me you're free.
Obi a ombenya obi o be kan say.
When you be koto bi.
What they court be no kra twitwiro ho no kra to nchen kra. Eduabon so da ho e no so e twen.
Akwa no obi an de. Eduabon no obi say woman na confess am pa say onyim de a. Minim de just na na da so man na kro mo.
Sa kwan o say
Eduabon be ya adwuma kire say ebi no ka say ofenfuru ne say ye na oye we ne to aso. It was wow ka say na onyim no.
Okay,
Eduabon no. Utie ke vi atene de a. Onyim ya panti. Eduabon be ya adwuma ko ti. Etunia o kasa hwe asem de ba o ya na o de adwena na
yes
o say wow be kasa na
onyim no.
4 months na say
the fact is that in the sight of the people in that community they knew a certain pregnant woman.
Okay.
Okay. And to them, she was pregnant. Into she wasn't, and the Biabono and that's when
okay, see who be an team or yeah, or now interesting
video, another video, family friend. One no see Ababa one 10 months, or has foot here and Quarter twins. Ono na 7 no because say one match be 10 months in 10 months in one way into you share be twins na say na di so zero cramp
yo kwakuni nyina mu no
so can zero
mo kan ba se mi ti be into aso na penifo fa bi into aso ye doctor yi so ya kwakire no wagba bi ho a so a doctor wa fitire crofo wa hwesa video no
me hwe
manasi azuri crofo na ye am say from say fourth state and
on fitire ono no de say yes o massage
ono ne dan kasankasa
na da bi tie ensem ni bi wa ye kan so aya mom ye careful because we enipa bibiri wo krumu anom enema wo mo ye no e wo places no e ho asem na e maaye so atiase e na sebe onko obi afie en fa homan koto ne na na ne kontwe ne ma se bese na me nko massage na me nko ye wa
nkoku
da bi tie
kana na wo kan ya
the same thing ono ye na de say
onye massage ono wo nyina ne ade
physiotherapist
ai omo do ko ko dia wo mami a o video ni do ko dia wo ono wa ware ono no ko dia wo first person no a wo ne da ye no na ware agu no ono ba nti papa de so especially
so is it two different cases are we talking about
yeah
manasi there one story na guy na
the same guy
because what me so dem tell and say yes or your massage etino what ba or massage no otimi di massage na no dey afa ho wrong and the man no so ma consent and or the anya say or ya de no abra
da bi mami we ko say so so say or den say for wa hu ne ya na fa yi ni nsa no e ko ku anta sa amu
and one stop no
ko stop say
na dia
na obi massage wo ba wa fo obi massage wa na fe wa kosu akumai wodne se ko ba na fe wodne ko ku ba wa an kan chen so nya
o mo koye na according to woman was o wodi ni ku na koye na se dia akwane ye no ka chen ni ku se no akwane se do ye no de wa bisa so se o ye no ansana ne ho atono no o nji akwane ni no be man so betima ya mana konkon ade a ada na o ma ne nye o so ba bia no complain chire ne kru no la ni kru so de ala no ma ne hwew na so betimi aya
ma bia ma nyinse na ba
so on de kra de nyinse so se ni be
ni waste
yes you betimi aboa ma na kesi
papa no ko ye chena no so confess you o twa video no ye chena no ta ye de go kra ofie no ka chena ye se onu se bia o ko ikura no nya mai entina se hwe ne manama no na
just why you adwuma
on the happen of confess so he's not a good person and he's not supposed to leave it's all on the tape so also or a very bad person ko kunu so san yosofo
sa
Ghana former enhwe sa nipa ni yie onipa yeah ko so sem de se de boni din or your man of God
sorry
what you say I will preach your videos go Facebook to see am no ka say and I'm reading take me be ma je ko am wabo
and was san say
I'm telling you
o na say o anya ngwa
Hey, and you want one setting. You people that are supposed to show us the light. You say ya.
One TV.
Hey, assembly.
Then I saw for years I didn't every.
What do you mean, Papa?
The future to man.
Every
yeah.
Hey, assembly.
I said, Yaku, what did was the other 2 media? Me could research you how. Na mami moso kakra. Could be I saw one of the Durex. Durex.
Omo your condom.
Mo. And then there's not just a almost Sabino.
Oh, dress almost say I advert a mom. I am who you saw. Now we are doing so. Oh, now I have one vet. I think it's Rama.
Any uncle for research on my Savino, my Kenyan women ranked first in most unfaithful women in the world.
Durex for yes.
Yes.
I then Ghanaian women who got condom need to know. And that's so great.
America won't be a open relationship. Some know what we took for them for crab if you have
Kwame, Mammy, Namiana saw one to whom I want it. Me who are money massy. Say research about said the Mocas and Crawford credible. And I make a condom of managers are credible. Ya boy, I'm mad bet to high. I can't visit. I didn't be among the rule.
I almost a day.
Now, almost I say, almost 29,000 women over 36 countries. No, do see where you're sampling. Na Malaysia former and omudi third 39% Egypt mu say one yana omo fight chiri.
And Ghana how many percent in omudi too? Say omo for mu kunu machi.
No, usha enya worry to say bia.
As I research you catch on some. But if you know, but cheating, if on worry, where does the cheating come?
Is still cheating.
Oh, Master Jai.
If you're in a relationship and you are
Master Jai, worry, now Momo say remember you are money to Bema, only my baby and Sunday date you are showing. It's your boss, Sonny, and my mammy or show by corn super and I end them to cheat.
I don't know. If I could say, what if I say me and say, no bass or remove back. Maybe you know a
now, what are the show saying? Bakube Plano.
It's over. Obey in your house. I mean, to buy now.
Which I said the original Bakube Plano.
What you're saying now, I saw you heard. No, you also Misubai and is a museum, your money. Or did you ever turn to know about her? So, what did them know about? Also,
fine or they bro.
Oh, as my making.
Me, say, if you do that, then you guys are not being fair to the ladies because who bear mount to one, who timid my bear me and who steady on me and what you didn't buy and why no, and they also in your cheating. Or bounce on the newsman, what's your girlfriend about?
Bema
what's your girlfriend?
Cheating oh, you don't say MZ trees like now you interviewer. Wow,
cause I'm not you know. I'm at a point in point and I know one can say,
Nensaka.
Am I be glad all your news? I'm presenting pregnant to me. No, what
him?
Oh,
I say we read your research for this. And a friend be TV3 friend say
read your research.
What TV journalist behind as well.
Zion fellas never been among the drama.
You can say, and I'm so money for
say. You know, caption on me, no Zion Felix Pro Max.
It's no other.
How many audience am I?
Your research no we. Me stories be bro.
I'm coming research.
Me buy from young can be.
Me ma swana kwa I saw me now, so I just want better materials from Crash. Me man so answer ukro ya na aka say ko me credible.
I mean ko drop by here kan wa se be ya.
Some word roof.
Pacho Penny, anya na betondu. Ayi she mamwa.
Children of the future.
Am I rapping man sa me pe kuro.
Ah, it means skip ngo na nim.
So I'm not rap idea say nya nene.
Missing na oraga. About that though.
Children of the future. Futu. Oba Sufu. Some can say, Ukraine passport or Koi books. Say, only has to focus. I mean, say, Pennyfo and Tian come and see.
Obracadi, Boko, if Ghana co Egypt to a court, which is Egypt to hold your master.
El Shakia Dohan. El Shakia Dohan.
Oh,
and a Yankee and
honey say,
Egypt seems like more than anymore.
I may say me 2 rand matches him in Pavia. Or what airport on Pacho, nose mask in the crown, or they call the passport to shed in someone cracked in Nashimwa or the foot guy in the one we are not one some house. But Kumasia Santa Kotoko of a union say your sign a year of Bimfo, and Dokota. Prosper ni Ogun.
Yeah.
Yes. Na
baby I'll be for now to go for na.
So
Papa your head guess you know can I say now we got some kotoko for mo hips mo nyuma na mo
hips mo opani and you man penny fast start here na fe na match o myself tina me case children of the future no players are this season kotoko penny fortune enkola nkwa 17 years, 18 years, 16 years.
And that's the guy. I do for dear, I do 4 days, and I'm okay. Sinyani name,
say, I did say,
no, I just say,
Benny, one campaign,
I'm up to for dear, I did
Benny, I didn't say, well, go to do one campaign, but yeah, and yeah, you give me a clue. After the mechanic, go your chroma and the team because I let any buy.
Kwaku me say play another question. Now you for
the man the game or go be to buy and one will do more business.
Kwaku mamini watch no call uncle for group 2 things.
I'm going to
watch any for
no, that's what I
oh chroma over. Me say ayi ombre on the man na chini say.
What did you to trias a bank manager?
Me say ya wa yekeze.
Ozio.
No yo ro. Yes sunyani name.
Obani sunyani name.
Yeah.
Obani pacho players ni gu ho no. Richmond Lamptey on there na or internalize. Very good player. Last season
Richard Boedu.
And Agadas also every mediama SC and Aba. One of the best midfielders Ukruma. As for good Dinachisa. Oh, Mamenkasa, now to play. Who play about Papa Kumzuna, the passport I walk on. Who play about Papa woman offer the passport I walk on. Who got the Cardinana? What was here? Isaac Opon. Ona oboni bi nse sunya name ano obobo papa Samuel Apia Richard Boadu ena Augustine Japan we mu nyina aye nkwala na ade mama ni je ne se coach na waba no opani wafa na no ye adwuma eti coach a wotete nkwala ne eto nkwala top talents edman de you can just imagine me nyakranka this season yem pre competition bia o de yem fa team yes ye de team na because nkwala we say fie bebiri wo manim
no one matches are better than what
they go to the mechanism we will play say league we be back
but for money to
target ne say ye kwa league what I say yem fa team because nkwala na ya to no say ye come mo bo ma hye omo nyem penifo num na be omo de na ye ton ye say hye omo with this coach near man be just even 1 year mpo.
Oh, yeah, the umbrella blasters.
Oh, and a couple of has been there twice or 3 times. The boys when your number is 5. Yeah, you better twice or 3 times.
nipa na mo
ko no be aka sa fio
mo ra hye no mu no
munnim no
ya dia to so fio
ya ke so ma mo ma chi draw
wan wada papa no me no obi anti me kasa
ko bi sa se wan dey film gospel commander
ana me se me no obi anti me ko maintain in campo nim no
wunim
eno no aka to ti
na wunim se Tottenham Hotspur ne Liverpool o mo final no me ne ko akutwum gina kira no so wa hu se cap no e ko grofobia o mo she white na white say yes dina je say Spurs na e ko je na ni tie na chief on ka say cap nations e boy
asemba for unu manga
anga je say
obi asa na
e kama we be kama
me say the minister out of folk cap ya ya
ji
e ba dia to aso prensa
somo yire mo ho ji a na mo mfo ko say o si yenim dia ya kan o wọ́n sọ wọn náà sẹ́ wọ́n kẹ́ntẹ́ náà wọ́n dẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ di ṣe ẹ̀dùnmá díà.
ọ̀pẹ̀ni nípa bí wọ́n hàn ẹ̀yà àná èdúrà mi mìíràn náà ọmọ ẹnu wọ̀ dẹ́ba òbú àwọn tí mi hu sẹ ẹ̀yẹ nsán ọ̀ sẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́n o kò gyina yín domi ho a ẹ̀nà mi pẹ̀mẹ́kọ́ bebree na fọ́tò yẹ a ẹ̀bí abọ̀ntín sọ kò gyina yín domi ho a na adwena yín pẹ̀mẹ́kọ́ bebree a sẹ́yìn ẹ̀nà ọkọ̀ṣẹ́ sẹ́bi.
mepamkyɛ o mimisa saa question ɛtiɛfoɔ amuntɛm bɛtumi aboa yɛ mesrɛ mo a mohwɛ saa mepɛmako bebree picture no na asɛm a mebisa nso no mode ho mmuaɛ ne ba anyɛ biaa ɛba ne sɛnti na sɛ wode biribi na ɛfa wo yamu a anka wo yamu hwie no wokɔtena se anka ɛma mɛse nkɔ no ahontɔ na ɛtumi sa sɔ yam ebi na akɔyɛ ayɛ yo ɛyɛ serious o mo sɛ kyɛ sɛ woyɛ
bayɛ no ba foforɔ saa na ɛkɔ ne toɔ no medi
anaasɛ bi a wanom nsa no aboro so na aka wa ofie na
ebi wa kwada unse dani diye ebi unse dani ade a wo fi
ni uyem na wo mfe na etweba so
nsuo nko na eba
obani groma bank fo asem mo bo
uya fo sim trase
na opese ohun se de bank adwumayfo o ma asem mo bo a to da bi wo no a to se yehu obi o ya dwuma bank bia yehu se oni pa ska but to da bi a o mo bro no eti se photo ye da ho pacho jeku fato ma me
bank for no bro say
o photo na e da ho no pacho nyanto ba se ne describe ro man crofo ma me
kwaku ene za me ro photo ni ye dia asa ya totonam enti sa dia mo totonam ibi no
trenam ni ye
prekonam pese ne yi na kumakum ni dia na cho say appoint bia aso sei na kwaku enam ni gu ade na totonam wo so ni bi ana kraman ogina enam ne ho utimi se onya bia obewe na ontumi enya bi enwe
nanimu atoso
ade se nani ehwewiem za na
atawra
compound za of actually rhythms
eno ya aroma or kachi aroma
ebe so just scanning near na bank
oh yes scan the go on so obi enye
ebi tumi bi o
obi na onya problem
because come o make attempt to pay obebi aba
dia da hana se ni uru no be se aba be e be sa na ni
ayekure be ku no so aho no kra na ba ku ka bank asem je we say yes operative for kire obi o ye adwuma o bank in connection with the bank robbery na e course no uma bi okoyisika and for the motor different
unim say da ye videos of our time me show temade na mi bi esi ye no how it happened now make us into amount for isika omunyeke addiction happen as I didn't see you
yeah the next day
the next day and I didn't see
it was the next day let me tell you
okay say Friday
and the same
I didn't say the sick one there
Charlie
bank phone bi
so I for bia ye egu so
to if you enkwala brem edi enya be si sabre ye omo anetro ma me silver ho onim say spelling bi ho no ma
omo channel nso no
afia afua sa omo trust silver na ne
obi dey say screen on you this one
ono no adwen ye ne say spelling any omo ye sign writers ni anya obehu na wa hwe ya o fa sa spelling dey two timu akwakogu animu ase o dey hwe papa yi whole school principal akwakofa no say omra metro vice principal o dey ade a o tro ho
abato vice principal's office na
vice principal in office no na dey no atro
atro voice
vice no
voice principal you know wom
dey also then principal paper also was say right count
sa situ anga sa say o kwa uja de so
also betra so no pass What voice principal. It will on train you crowd voice in cross side in your day and so many judge.
And so on the Quabrani Jan in China, on those supervise you, so on those way to be here.
Boy, no a student. Who's a bag bonnet? You say, "Oh, come no wind." Me I show some one my chance opening. You know your voice.
Voice and any voice war.
You and ya Nana. Said you can't say futu corner has a force when you be ashim.
Oh, the place there
now. Marco Fajo Mosi.
Mosi.
Keeper. Keeper.
I don't know about to place in the once. Now, don't see the once. But let me put the entire. I know you're going to tell us a case of play. I don't know, don't see the once. I don't touch it. I don't know what to do, my dear. So, that's how you have a promise. I just said, now, the boy didn't somehow be answered. I don't know, don't see the once.
Now, la masserie. Les CD aussi.
I tell for my house now.
On peut vous souhaiter. Na on s'est bizarre ça.
Et je suis en osant.
On bizarre na subate.
Yeah, really now.
Jeko crowd vous soit osre.
Jeko ya bi ojo mosi enya house no ba o. Mosi eko mediema.
Yo.
Ni dino.
Amajo on mo amon fa. I don't come mosi.
Kojo mosi.
Kojo mosi. Don't kojo mosi.
Kojo mosi.
Kojo kan di on. Wọ́n ní kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ mú bọ̀ bọ̀.
Kwado keeper o.
So ejire na dani si mo baba Chris mu de ni bi.
Kwa me de.
Mo ya body. You say my dead for the rest of the year.
What na to so je for me na my dinner chia o ye good.
Keeper ejire dani sim de be sha no pa.
I didn't know that you go.
I didn't know that you go.
We grab to say
yes.
Na me the mission is say. The mission is say so course.
Ejire the musician na da osim na.
Of course no ni play. E crash was. No be see for answer ba ko tu a. E be ye ni enum no.
Masa bunya se una budi. Ejire ne se na de chebo no.
Obese kosi kro be kosi. Kwaku na
ejire de nkan pa na keeper ni.
Mo hwe ni bi. Mo si e kana se.
Ba wi aso on keeper.
Ba ka cha man for say house of folk no woko. Ya correct to say house of folk no.
Eh mediama.
Bibia house of folk. Bibia mediama e wona chi kwaku. Mediama bi o jan cause mediama ne wona chi. Mediama ne kwa wona chi. Enso adwenboni to ne ma house.
Now
oya ba ko ko to no.
Menya kwajo mosi.
Afede menya kwajo mosi.
Don kwajo mosi di no.
Yo.
Ana woni.
So no si Harry.
O de go papa.
Ana nya house dia. Kwaku.
Shie.
Jese wo pere atoma kotoko e.
Nya wa kwako di ba bi nya kama. Yesi ye kipa so ya ma ko kra ko.
Kwaku na sika me ka so onko jese onko di yo.
Dabi omso be hwe.
Onko di dia ye.
Ntimba cho milo abai o meti ase ma milo ya de ne kasa be mas.
Dabi.
Onyo nse adwuma se kra ya manu sika. No ya said the man is cover no kwa o cha adwuma se o.
Milo.
Ai on se adwuma se kra. Ya manu sika dia man na yire no mo fie so o mo fa no di.
O boa.
Oh.
Man at the man.
What just $30,000 was I? Oh. Even before the work.
And I mean,
but you know, buy just
a sign on fee now. Okay.
I can't make a we.
Oh, no, I see the on betu. On betu. 7 months as I could see up here, dear credit that they are going to see.
I can't before coaches in about the year. Yet you don't 7 months, 8 months. Now, profit. One said you must go near Mom.
Milo crime sospetino. Milo Nankasam sospetino.
Said they.
Beginning also by 45. And on my catch 45 and the papa is won't mean to 32 Yama what is Mejitum. And almost interpreter and so I'd never know. Yent mean to you. Bakuna by the Tiama when I say, I'm Miametria.
I remember that church book. Don't know front to toss and just want to
said it near Bria, the Becca,
that life, man.
I don't have a day. Oh, so
what you call your
Siriamu. You will be an applause one to bro.
It's been a phone as a call.
So Ubia open be a bunny bia. We are no said I want to casa. What up I steady hey some more baby cry I know be on more so ya did also said that I am years and say on to bro.
Said the coach in Bibia Wajat to me. And penny for any.
Of course, why too clean this time around? Say, first need to is also no other chair.
You can be a mayor, you can be a mayor,
Massa, Milo Nankasano. Say, now may moon buy a send now on your dome.
Something you come across.
It's young man and woman in a knee, a beer.
Never can be out major
to redundant. Or got Timon or
2019. Or so called Thailand.
Or buy
don't want him to Pamono. India, Masha, Thailand, near Pamono.
India.
It's Thailand rejects na
This year Odalisa Hotel. Anopa nye de open obedi. Ewia nye de open obedi. Enwumre nye de open. Eti za pay na mo kan ho asem no. Sika ye no ha no go bedi no. E ho so o ye 7 no. Ye 7 no kama. Na
coach for fie na esi na ko say.
What the office?
Yes, so the white technical director office. Ya fa nipa ho mo ye Ghana pa die.
Eye ko na
be. Mo say na coach no be dem ye timi nyi bi man man ne.
Ko bi wa ha o.
How be?
Oh. Ai kwasi amosa ko de.
Ana de ma try ma time was na afi am we.
No minim so o fa na ba kra. O free US abaso ba bet Israel.
We dey Milo we wish him all the best. Say ajaye ntimi.
Meba ye twema na ba no. Ye fast dama Kale charcoal toothpaste.
Okay.
E patcho we na portion papa unya fresh breath papa whiter teeth prevent cavity na fe so no stains wo se a eso so a hwe a cleaning na fi na bibia ay kama de amount FDA for emuhwe mu aja tum say Samara company for and akofa ede aba Kale charcoal toothpaste or say happy smile na fe royal drinks you go like am ye kan for ede amount but modern so ma sa etimi aka bi royal apple royal cola royal orange and a face royal cocktail. Ne bon yedin 250 pesos per na waje ode we fi Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Do one phrase 0262 351 251 a phase 0272 133 373. Na ya just so fine. And I go TV so bit me I enjoy a captivating moment of La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, ne other leagues na kanina obe connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities now on sweat me on dear con dear ben Go TV. Love it. And I feel in boost herbal mixture. Police near Bruno. Unya bia a bois a multi build a strong immune system. Now Nipaduano want me adding. It yari be a bebe biano. And one share na a clear na edia free or edia amount. And when you say Yaren Crabit me a boa at once and why I sabia could I share. And routine your friend police near Bruno. Or the 2 weeks nina bibia kama pa. King's Walk Herbal, Equus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, all alternative and dependable bar shops across the country. Health Alert Shop at St. John's and a Little George Health Shop and also Tema Community 5. Ubenyabi or yes, our Fred Dudo Pano, Fred 0243 115 948 and a 0246 208 496. Yeah, man, ya wana kwaba. Ben for mama kwaba. Now, more to say. Na de no ba ko pene ka say na ya o de on ka say go
aja ka sagu mu ka sagu
okay today you try introduction na ye hunu omo ani omo ahie na no smacks ni tie hunu today
o betu me you
okay
Brother, you're from Kwesisa
Akode.
Philadelphia.
Oh, nice. Philadelphia in the building.
I used to live there.
You used to live where?
I'm a brother.
Opening what's your friend say?
Opening guess here.
Your friends will say. Nana or say.
Yeah.
Oh, I was Nana or say.
Nana or say.
Oh, Nana or say. Oh, okay. You. Your mama kwaba. Say be abo ko there. Na Philadelphia Tiana Chester more wrong kakra near there. And one land na say kwan bia so no. Definitely. And one no I had any more to be now basa na Chester mo bafie. To dey na me kra na me say no around near there nti. Yes sorry so an say mo dia be pim nti no. Ye mo akonya na walandi Philadelphia for no so tie ti chia omna mo mu so abelande na fi o mo ofie no so no mo mu nze wa na downtown here.
Okay, the kind my wife Lady Smart. Sabe o te phone wa o tie
den Lady Smart you teach am you teach am pa
me chia no ne adofo ne SD Asafo I Philadelphia.
Okay. All right.
O kwaso SD.
Omuna Joso.
No be no to kwa kwaso.
Class name say Philadelphia.
Say Philadelphia. Sa de kanu. E dey.
Wo busu ni wa busu. America side wo busu ni. Sa e wo dey na.
Ora mo adrio.
Eh wa come.
Wa adrio. Oh David.
O go police un kase football.
Obani so omo abe chia omo na yen sorry so.
Mpacho me chia madofo amene wo ye business na countermont.
Okay.
There's a counter for.
Yeah. Counter o zigizaga o.
Amuna ajo so nti ya don say some wa kwa ban so why. All right. Abusia
undan koye wo hu.
Unfortunately, this Wednesday.
Oh, enjoy. What about the shine there? And I don't know. Muye. All right, Abusia. Yes, so na ya did Median Kai asoso.
Yes, also now the entire melody and make an media no.
Your French short name.
Mini Pebby. Peninkesi bi okwanyem ne ba. And ya 2 years after na himfie. Dabi.
O
na ya fana himfie ho no. And almost in another one of no ye beju odwan mako ba kudu osena metua. Schnapps 10 osena metua. 100 million osena metua. Na dan fo akugina njan osena wo skape na wa. Dabi ya de ka bia osmetua se twa na me fika me ba bi.
Ebi na mi lo ye no. O go Google so na o ma. Kwasi wanya fans on Facebook Kwabna Edu say o say edasa akodi ni na Eric Ajima ono so say Kwasi am with my classmate too. Kwasi welcome. What shall say Facebook? Guy of Philadelphia Oguta. Abusia Rich Choco essay competition no. Medical catch order that say bosumi awie ya na closing date for the upper primary of junior high and senior high students. Eti outro essay. Now, essay now outro no or address the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now, I stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. Where do you away? I don't know. Now we are our garden and I say our parents and now our class teacher. I endorse so essay in the amount. I say your handwriting. Come on. Now a post to brain. Nothing. The intimate more than bit me abona. A chedi on sa anchor. You were over 100,000 Ghana cedis cash prizes and educational supplies and in bit me out there. Now top essays in each category be receive 10,000 cedis cash and another 10,000 cedis in educational materials at their money respective schools. No, and all 4 runner-ups in each category be answer no ebenya cash prize at their attach. Tipap cho monimre na fa ho shembi na ebi announce o chance no enoa eni salvepe ena enhye no etie afen so no ene ye kanfo go higher grade fuels no e de amount to be good car no mu o engine be last year lifetime. Yes, it's say ato ebo ase A45 no come up with the XP3 additive multifunctional enhancer. I am more efficient, eco-friendly. Now you turn at no extra cost. Your Goil Super XP Ron 95 na fe Goil Diesel XP so available Goil fuel station BMO across the country, not just selected Goil fuel stations. So fill up with Goil high grade fuels. Ajibe bia Goil good energy. Goil yeah dear. Now let's talk insurance. Insurance are there so on fast papa. Na yema mu na I know bibi ho. Na so ne Phoenix Insurance abibie niam yom sampa. Say bibia simple cry. You know what church jina pa abribia or how bia na manie bia na sen bia besan wo. It the can say you rise again when disaster strikes. About Phoenix Insurance are you to your claims in Tempana. The insurance policies in the doors of fire, motor accident, marine, engineering, and of a bond, and they can count be brave. And a quality meter insurance policy fee and chain while use you in short code star 389 star 79 star. Not just a wood them. BBN your friend any come 0302 246 319 and off 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. And then say wo adofo no e wa amanone ana me ahodo bi na edu se wan e manu sika na ne je no akwakoye ohaw de a ene akwanya sonko aba so betimi receive cash from friends, family and loved ones and business associates abroad. With 44 branches across the country, Sinapi Abba Savings and Loan, a more conducive atmosphere. Yeah, nobody me a juicy cano safely, comfortably, and securely. Come on, ban of foreign money transfers now.
Gangnam Style.
Services from MoneyGram, Western Union, Small World, Unity Link. Just transfers. I would only transfers. Then they can. You come then.
Gangnam Style.
etienu anso be hwe yen na oni aba be didwa na yetimi aboa wo saa kwan so Kaswa branch no ewe off the Kaswa New Market Road Ben Coca-Cola Depot and our friends so Achimota branch no ewe the same building of mile 7 Washing Bay. Tema branch no community 1 close to the TDC traffic light and our 2 branch no ewe close to the Cocoa Ball Ayalulu bus terminal hona. The batch of freight toll free 0800 511111 and our phrase 050 127 8540. Sinapi about savings and loans, touching lives, creating wealth.
Star.
Abusha ya tried me so fancy and radio no.
Sami sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And me confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit go so na me sre a. Eya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Oba de ni pa e bo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mwawa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so ni. Yeti center for
media magical chocolate toothpaste at tubu. Me shina no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibi na ma. Na me sita tito ni na guso.
En kaneno ani ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Na wonum ye gram. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste, Sankofa, ENG.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA, Aji, Ejodi Nkrato Yatomo. Oh boy, no one is so. Chale many ho. As I say, me rush through fear se see a games were ho. Nothing Thursday. Nanka se say the Go TV Thursday say the rough. UEFA Europa League and Daso and the UEFA Conference League in Sutia. Wow, when now Go TV so. Nanka, Milia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana Cedis Benya decoder. Now upgrade called Go TV Max so now we enjoy games nini na. Switch called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa any Conference League fee. Hey, now why jammy came here? Sell person to new decoder. Text the Go TV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my Go TV app no so. And she share a crowd. Go TV, love it.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamo Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't know what dance you say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Mama who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia, your toe in row, and to form.
Mini mabusua de. Ya gini nuane ko na boso. Gini sunflower cooking oil. Anwa wasone free sunflower mu meduane che ya akono. Ade ba ko amepe wa gini anwa yi hone se. Meduane ye na gini mu a eyiyi baako ne ni hwam kra ne kume no. Na me ya salad. Gini mayonnaise nko na me ya esanse. E ma no ye tasty. Ya sanso wo gini milk a ye non dairy creamer. Gini sardine ene sardine amepepa esanse. Wo betime de aduane bia. Na se wunya didi wo dokona. Wo behunu se ye good. Roast spaghetti inso ka gini ebusiakuo ne ho. Ni senti be ka gini ebusiakuo ne ho. Esanse gini mafie ye de. Gini die e koso FD ade edwede nkrato ya to.
Celebrate something big with Showmax this football season. Pay for 1 month of Showmax Pro or Showmax Pro Mobile and get a second month on us to watch mind-blowing football action from the world's best leagues. That's every breathtaking tackle, save, goal and more from the EPL, La Liga, Serie A and DStv Premiership. Live from Supersport and 50.
I think I need something unique and authentic for the choir this year. Ooh, for me, I want a beautiful African print fabric to be used as souvenirs for my engagement.
Babe, we need to get Dad a new shirt when we visit him this weekend.
For your authentic Woodin fabrics and ready-to-wear outfits made from exclusive designs, visit Woodin retail shops nationwide. Feeling good in Woodin? Make your loved ones feel good too.
Woodin, le créateur.
Charlie, Nancy Abraboy insiste susukra. Nipa sori anopa. Oba no ho modin sa, but still, you know the fa. Of late, said the amount for winnie star 959 hash. Mobile loto no. Some of them want shimwa. Unia la woo. Isa say, niti hey, if you have a bar prepaid, mia. Only on so the channel no say, ne bana dane papa. Intine sorting no, mia. Boys also doing say abeshame. Intin sano, mia. Mini abaki to also doing say me bomba. Intine credit no, mia. Say one so one jam you. Intadi shemu, nitrini, and then the fingernails na, mia. Sports bets so, fa, adia. Sema you.
Boga, make them not tell you. How dear, instant though. Near here and say, you just will make more money. Dial star 959 hash. And now call 590mobile.com.gh. Not to be. Once you would dear no bet to me as 590 mobile. Head down some.
Hey, kawan no chance na we bisami.
Hey, milk na chum say.
We Milo all in one, no Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk show, bibia womu.
Milo all in one, our milk baby womu dada. Ne hiani se wudi subefra, no ati nyeni nomu de a cocoa papa, ne malt, and a milk baby ayedi ashe sachet bakumu. Milo, the energy to go further. FDIJ dreading kratoi atumu.
Discover a world of taste sensations. Whether it's cheesy pizzas, fresh tilapia and banku, yam and pork, or wachi, the choice is yours. Enjoy your favorite or try something new. It's the Ghana Food Festival, so this September, you can enjoy a month-long celebration of food from a range of restaurants, all for 5% off when you use your MasterCard to pay. Visit www.globalaccelerx.com.gh/campaigns to find out more. Terms and conditions apply. MasterCard. Start something priceless.
Nyawanwa obutan team wodi nsia ne awode ye adwuma sua de ahwa busua mankunim de ba nanso oba ye nipadua tumi sesa wonam ye wo ye nina enka tumi ba ye ho ne ya tenka esesa etobere bia ekira dwene kakra eye densi ye behu se we ye ne kwanso ene bra ye behwehwe mmoa Maristos clinic fo wonim de wo ema pomuden ho na wo ka ye ho abrebia e free sabuo so kwose se ye Maristos clinic ne fresh 0800-208585 ABO 0800-20.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap Milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap Milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Say,
Well, let be that. You don't know, say we they make late where they make at the work.
Oh, Charlie Kwabuna, it not be me, oh, not be me. It be the program I they watch for that my new HD Plus decoder I got to. Solid stuff, I tell you. It allow me make I enjoy my favorite local TV channels in razor sharp, high definition quality. It be 5 times better than SD. Everything make clear. What? It check like I did their song. And channel selection, A1. I mean, I can scroll to see what each channel will show even 1 week ahead. Plus, I go fit preview the channels before I go watch you. Charlie, this is the power to select what you want. They spoiled there for me.
You too can watch your favorite local channels feely in true HD quality. Look sharp and get yourself the new HD Plus decoder and experience world-class television at an affordable price. Existing multi-TV customers do not require a new satellite dish. For more information, visit hd-plus.com.gh. HD Plus, the feely experience.
Munia, yet to unlimited course of Vodafone Red so one yana.
Jack, me too no expiry of Vodafone Red.
Hey, star 200 hash me wa. Hey, Matthias here, when you be what
Vodafone Red, no lie, Coco have to be top man the Ibikasako and browse it.
Vodafone Red, star 200 hash system. Cecilia, ye Kasako no near browse. Star 200 hash, Mawi unlimited course called Vodafone to Vodafone so. Data boom full, talk time be bria, what be friend now for 4 more other network so we and Sado a bonnet da from now we know sika home faso and so Vodafone ready dear we know but star 200 hash no you package ya a yamao a free 1 Ghana cedi aircraft
Vodafone.
Celebrate something big with Showmax this football season. Pay for 1 month of Showmax Pro or Showmax Pro Mobile and get a second month on us to watch mind-blowing football action from the world's best leagues. That's every breathtaking tackle, save, goal and more from the EPL, La Liga, Serie A and DStv Premiership. Live from Supersport at 50% off. Sign up at showmax.com and get more for less.
OfieKwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Adom FM, and today happens to be your birthday. Corporal Alexander Brefo Otama CTU. Happy birthday to you, Bossu. Yamisha, not Tonquanem. And this one here says, please wish Eunice or Penny a happy birthday. I wish her God's blessings, grace, and success from Samuel Tay Adano, photojournalist, GCGL, and Mrs. Vasti Adano, Apostolic Church Community 11 District Tema. Happy birthday going out to my brother, Inspector Clement Kofi Abrokwa of Westlands Police Station. May God bless you richly. From Bafo Reduamo of Adom FM Adom TV. happy birthday also going out to Louise Archery of Temaport. From your sisters, Portia and Faustina. Wishing you a happy birthday with God's blessings and lots of love as well. We also say good evening, boss. Please help me wish this amazing twins on Marie Ajiman, Laurentia, and on Marie Ajiman, Lawrence of Accra Newtown, CAC, a happy birthday. I wish them all the best in life. We also say happy birthday and command Mrs. Patience Enim Bediakon of National Security from your husband, Mr. Samuel Enim Bediakon of Shipcode and Trading Company Limited, and of course your children with lots of love. And good afternoon to Alex Ake of Divine Barbering Saloon at Wisconsin University. Mami Botet Nasina Fe, yeah, the fella at Wasuna, yeah, they are sorry, Jumedi. In the meantime, I say, please wish units. Okay, I've done this one. And yeah, fancy wa na fe Mami Bot Emon Rem. Na yemfa fella in Chato, na yen sorry nko. And then said the Jawo dem one, you ground to say, say. Okay, Mommy Boats.
Roger.
Now, what's the idea? There's a come, mommy, Philip, you want from my house and do there about Philip time, Marshall.
To two more,
family room. What to say? And how was your weekend too? Oh, really?
What's in the motion of a link, Mr. John? Merchant pad of a link, Mr. John. So then. On ye. Now, Roger, yeah.
Catch him.
Mr. John, hit maker. Or your rubber in the shape. And I pay you there, sorry, no. You who don't on the go back, say. On number go back, only to go back.
Hey.
Hey, now when the shade, now we tell you, boys, no, was the one message, Ashamano. Then I can't show when the shade, but I if you know, bridge may change, but Mozana social media. Adom FM 106.3. Ever corner video net the honum. Now, Brenton, but no, what's making you when the shade there? Or by your no, as a betchano, now go by the prize, and we move it to 3 cities. What about 30 cities? Boys, no. What's when the shade is one yard? What by one cotton for Cameron Todo? Because boys, no, or your savior one at as our no, or your last killer, or your moja into the when the shade. Man for Cameron, Coco,
Beno, cotton, a camera, that's no. Hey, Uncle Try joint one deal. Some container inside and things.
When you say,
and now, why you cause you about quarters? I wish your video and
come boys, no.
Why you cause you about quarters? Oh, share. Some container inside and things. Oh, share. There has to be real, you know what I mean? And anytime.
Now, a kid is so no minimizing, but I miss some care, my childhood cacra. A kid in some bonny most obey what tell muno. But I look at
it me false spine moon there. I call dead dimper.
I look at crab a bedroom pobwa.
Yeah,
at us what pop one shit. Na achio with like man or best forehead. Now, many punishment as me jedula or stone boy the bagel no na minimum as a why is it but na mama punishing na wa ma front wa ma na sado akorim na what's the punishment you find the rich daughter's punishment punishment no where you involve in the no onye ntemu na then on ye.
Young bomb, go and stand in that corner and then raise up your hands.
Not John Banana and John
whilst your hands are up, then you think about the bad thing you did. Okay.
Is it all Brajery?
Video in the down on Timothy.
May I imagine them as a bayan conconsa. Now, and done no Brajery, as all me then could be in your happy with Sarkodie. Or Yakin Sack, the Monko concern on a pedetum.
Why they?
King Sack, now what's on the column? Now I don't do baby no traffic action. Into no bystanders now, watching the honor no hawkers now. Oh, that was Sarkodie. Sack.
Yeah.
A bit big just the sack. Or tomorrow, or car. Second on the ride or pinto. I be a bua Canada. One Casabian who took care. Not King Sack. Now, one no Sarkodie.
So you mean say you know my damn self?
One customer.
Oh, to hell is you run away.
No, Brajery, this is more fun.
Oh, right.
It is the fans that make the artist.
So Kano, Nasak, Ekrano. Convertible. And just so they saw him. It's one and you pay no say Joe, Mamin Katasuna Minko.
On my day wave, and you're a comparison. But this is the difference.
He was not waving at them too.
This is the difference between because Shaka, no Kobo Resi Canada. We're Chichia. One Yakra, Sikabosu. But on you don't be a waving be. Because these are the people that make the artist the artist.
Wakata Suboko. Oh, what's that really happens to Waka? Oh, on Pelon, Gravia.
My mama was on happy birthday, Nkoma Zainab. Watch what's there? Nini name no. Yeah, Brownie. Say you African.
This
happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nkoma. So Kokana.
All right.
Excel in life.
Okay.
Enjoy your new age.
All right.
You see, I had a meeting to see Mrs. Mame Boatema, the front door.
All right.
President for the Brothers and Sisters Association.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it. And then on birthday, I'll say, Jay, please wish David Opoku of Church of Pentecost, New Botiano Central, a happy birthday for me. May God bless him abundantly and beyond measure as well. May he grant him all his heart desires and cause him to know him. Okay. I was fast that can say, why? Oh, fella. You're fast that can say, that's fresh up for you. You're fast that can say, my Vodafone. I'll say a name or the good morning offer number. Nah, good morning bundle. It gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, plus 500 MB of data. And the bundle works with any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial star 543 hash to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana city. Terms and conditions apply.
Then they watch my life.
Vodafone
GTV.
Hey, together we can.
I'm not saying you miss me. Whack rappers.
And of course we can.
As I drop no more fire, them more stuff. Get ready for the album. I'm back next year. Charlie, fella. ASEM with the fella.
Wishing you a happy birthday, though belated. Policewoman.
Nobody here no end yet.
Rebecca, your boy.
Video awards. Don't forget.
Becky.
Only 10 in review. We just play.
Last Saturday was your birthday.
Hope they come in the force of late. Easy the beat, but she fall for stage. Rough and smooth just to make front page. And those boys who really know them.
I'm sorry, now, yeah, Corona, yeah, Kai will say the Rich Choco National Essay Competition, you know. And Yamaya Adoma on the 30th of September, and a closing date for submission of entries. If you patrol what throw or essay now, said you name that down. Yes, oh, throw essay, wabra, address the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now, I stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. It is a wild handwriting. What I say now, our guardian and our parents and our class teacher, I endorse them. What the 10 empty packs of our rich choco, 20 grams, and now 1 empty pack of rich choco, 500 grams, and now 1 empty pack of rich choco, 1 kg. Ashim at the account, not 1 milli at the Amaye. Now, BBI Timiako, you bet me a milli call. The Rich Choco National Essay Competition, PO Box AF 851 at Denta Accra. Carnation says closing date for submission of entries 30th September 2021. We have further details are called Cadbury Rich Choco Facebook and our Instagram pages now. Now being all the needed info. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on that note, it will be checkout time for us.